Hi and welcome to Farming Wonders YouTube channel. I am your host Mwehaki Karaja and this is the home of farming innovation. Today we will be at Farming Wonders Shamba and we have great stuff lined up for you. But before we get into that, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with friends and family. So come with me, let's head to the Shamba. On today's episode, we will be looking into urban farming, what it entails, and how it benefits the farmer. Now, urban farming can be defined as growing or producing food in a city or heavily populated town. It can also be defined as small-scale subsistent crop cultivation. People have begun to understand how far food travels and that they, as consumers, have no say in what is grown or how it is grown. With Farming Wonder, we want to make agriculture fun, easy, and satisfying. We bring you an innovative farming solution to the comfort of your home and also brings you the convenience of farming to your kitchen, your backyard, and even your shamba. Have you ever heard about multi-story gardens? This is an innovative farming invention that solves common farming problems like lack of enough space, water usage, and quantity of yield. It is a 6-layered structure that multiplies the land by 10 times. The canopy formed by planted crops prevents evaporation and conserves water. The structure of the garden ensures every plant has equal access to nutrients, water, and sunlight, thus guaranteeing a high yield. The innovative design makes it convenient to tend to plants, weed, and water them. You may ask, what crops are suitable for this kind of farming? A variety of crops are suitable for the multi-story gardens. For example, spinach, kales, African nightshade, cowpeas leaves, cabbage, spring onions, lettuce, dania, just to name a few. We also have a variety of herbs, and we will show you how to plant and take care of them in the multi-story gardens. Are you into animal farming? In other episodes, we will be getting into details about this lucrative venture and all that you would need to know about animal farming. Remember to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more. The cost of setting up a multi-story garden is 2,500 Kenyan shillings for a 3-inch garden, inclusive of transport within Nairobi. Did you know the durability of the multi-story gardens has a lifespan of up to 10 years? When it comes to designs, we have creative and innovative structures that will beautify your space as you grow your plants. That was a sneak peek into Farming Wonders Shamba, and we hope you enjoyed, and we have so much more in store for you. If you had any queries, make sure to follow us up on our social media platforms, that is Facebook and Instagram, by the name Farming Wonder. Also on WhatsApp, you can reach out to us through the number 07240 00070. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.